Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to download, install, and start using Indigo PDF Tools on your Mac. Now, before we get started with that video, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. Okay, a few quick notes. If you'd like to see a detailed overview video of Indigo PDF, we've made one of those before and you can watch it right here. And of course, if you want a direct link to Indigo PDF, we'll leave that in the description. Okay, let's jump on the Mac. All right guys, once we're on our Mac, we're gonna head to this download link. We'll drop it in the description box below, and we want the 64-bit DMG download. So we'll let that download and then we will see you guys when it's done. All right, the download has just finished. We're simply gonna double click the .dmg file. Next, we'll drag the Indigo PDF Tools into this Applications folder. Then we can close the installer and we'll head directly to our Applications. And here we can now see Indigo PDF Tools. We'll double click to open that. If this option comes up, there's an easy solution. Go ahead and hit Cancel. We're gonna go back to our Applications and back to Indigo PDF Tools and just right click on it and then hit Open. Select Open on the pop-up. From here, I'm gonna set my language to English United States and I'll sign into my account. If you have yet to sign in, simply click the Register Here button, which will bring you to the Indigo PDF website. And then here we can fill out our relevant information to register for the account. And once you do that, head back into the application. All right, so we'll enter our username and password, and we'll be brought to the membership page where we can see our current version of Indigo PDF. Okay, and then once we've created our account, we can come back to this page here and we'll go ahead and sign in. All right, and here's the page we will see once we've signed in. And please note that the multi-operations and the page operations are both included in the free version. Everything else is only included in the premium version. So once we have this downloaded and installed, we can immediately start using the PDF editor. For example, I'll click into the multi-tool here. Using this blue button, I will attach the PDF that I want to work on. I can use this slider to navigate down further along to the other pages, and I can start clicking pages to rearrange them, reorient them, and when I'm happy with the product, I can click here to download the new PDF. I could also change the name prior to that if I wanted to. Here in my downloads, we can see the new PDFs with the changes that we made. And then I can click back to the home page and use any of the other services, all of which have a similar upload and download process. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about downloading and setting up Indigo PDF, please drop those in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. We strongly encourage any specific video topic ideas you may have. And lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.